Hello audience, today I gonna show you how to change your Facebook password. Okay, let's start. Follow my whole step. At first, your Play Store. Now check your Facebook update. My Facebook already updated. Now click on Facebook open. Now click on profile menu. Scroll down. Now click on settings and privacy. Now click on settings. Now click on account center. Now click on password and security. Now click on change password. You click on Facebook account. Now current password. Now new password. Now read new password. Now change password. By process and successfully your password. Thank you for my work. Subscribe now.